This is our commercial grade 1080p digital wireless side camera that is compatible with anything in our V3 line. SKU 59903 and its 2-pack counterpart, the SKU 16476. This wireless side camera is 100% weather and waterproof. It is the perfect product for those who need the highest quality 1080p resolution in a slim, elegant form. Designed with construction site grade durability and an elegant shape that will turn heads. This digital wireless range has been tested to exceed 300 feet with a flawless, no lag image. The body is adjustable and features a 1080p lens with automatic night vision. That means the darker it gets outside, the more the night vision is active. Encased in heavy-duty metal, this camera will survive anything you throw at it. And when I mean anything, you could take it and chuck a rock at it, it's still gonna work. In fact, take the camera, chuck the camera, and it's still gonna work. Easy to set up and install. The concept is simple. Connect the camera to the power, connect the monitor to the power, pair them up, fire them up, and you're good to go. Don't forget, other than our tech support, we also give you very easy to follow instruction videos and manuals to guide you every step of the way. Lastly, if you look closely at the blue indicator light, you will see that it sits in a beautifully machined out American flag, a nod to where this camera was designed and is serviced. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!